Hello Foot Academy boys and girls. We're going to be training from home, so why not learn how to make our own football out of just these household items? You think we can do it? So for this activity we need balloons, sticky tape, marker pens, ruler, scissors, cardboard, cloth and a glue gun. Step 1, take a balloon and inflate. Make sure when you inflate your balloon that you don't overinflate it and it starts to look like an egg. This is not a football. This is a football, it's a nice rounded shape, okay? Now we're gonna start to cover it in sticky tape. Using any kind of tape, the bigger the better, will make this much easier. Here's one that I've made earlier. And you see the whole balloon is covered in sticky tape. The fastest way to cover your balloon is by going from top to bottom with the sticky tape, okay? Until it's completely covered. Now that we have our balloon completely covered in sticky tape, we need to start to make the shapes that make it really look like a football. These are pentagons. They have 5 sides and 5 points. To make these, you're gonna take your marker pen, you're gonna take your ruler and create a pentagon on a piece of cardboard. Then be cut out and be used as a template. Now that you have your cardboard template of a pentagon, take your pen, place it on a piece of cloth and mark out the shape of a pentagon. Once you have it marked out, you're going to need to cut it from this cloth. You may need to ask for help from your parents with this, as you will be using scissors. Now once you've cut out enough of these pentagon shapes from your cloth, you should have a huge pile like me. We're going to now be using the glue gun to stick these to the football. Now for our final part of this activity, we need to stick our pentagon patches to the football using our glue gun. We need to ask for our parents' help on this stage, okay? Now to help me with this stage, I'm using a bowl simply to rest the football on top so it doesn't move while I'm sticking. I'm going to take the pentagon patch, mark out a small area with the glue, and voila! Our first patch is on. Now we're going to have to cover the whole ball with these patches of pentagons. It's going to take a little bit of time, but be patient and we will get there. We have just finished our final patch on the ball. What do you think? Not bad for a homemade football, eh? Let's test it out.